Europa had sought a postponement of this evening's final in order to allow for their appeal against being removed from the competition to be considered. The GFA originally removed Europa from the competition, alleging that they broke Article 14.8 of the National League rules, which specifies that at least 2 of the 5 permitted substitutions must consist of homegrown players under the age of 23. Europa had contended that this rule did not apply to the Rock Cup, and that even if it did, they had acted within its parameters. Speaking in Supreme Court this morning, Chief Justice Anthony Dudley made clear the main reason for the postponement not being granted was because of the impact this would have had on an innocent third party, in this case Glacis United. Glacis had presented a letter to the court outlining the fact that several of its players are due to leave Gibraltar and return to their home countries in the coming days. Mr. Justice Dudley said this case potentially raised real issues of law and that while it was beyond the scope of this appeal, there was potential cause to explore the legislative implications of either side's claims. He also pointed out that Europa's initial claim had been rejected on the provision of abridged reasons by the GFA, and that a full reading of GFA laws and articles on the issue did suggest there was scope for the appeal to have gone ahead, if not for the fact that the final could not be reasonably postponed, and that the GFA had not conducted its business properly. Mr. Justice Dudley pointed to what he described as a failure of the GFA's disciplinary process, and as such, while the hearing went in the association's favour, he said he would not rule that Europa should pay court costs, but instead that they be assessed, if not agreed.